Namaste everyone. In this video, we will see how much it will cost you to install a bore well in your particular site. So this quotation it belongs to Bangalore. It might slightly change in other places, but you will get a fair idea how much it will cost once you go through this video. So it is a 6 HP motor, 53 stages. Yeah, so bore well length was around 1200 and it is installed for 1100 square feet, but the motor capacity can lift up to 13,000. That's what he has mentioned over here. And it is a Taro company, 2 years warranty, he said. And 25, then with respect to the pipe, the black pipe which they will install, that is called HDPE a pipe, and the gauge is 25 kg. What you need to see here is two gauges are available, 20 kg and 25 kg. So this quotation is for 25 kg. That PC80, that might be one of the standard they might be following, but this is what everybody will give. Okay, and 1 year company warranty for the manufacturing defects. There will not be any manufacturing defects once it is come to you, unless until extreme cases. Then and then other part is third third one is SS end fittings, and also 4 square Phenolex cable, which is mm, installed, again a few meters extra, like around 15 meters extra, 355 meters, and that is costing around 42,000. The first component, motor and motor, is costing around 45,000, and includes the pipe in the sense which will push the water uh, to the top, and then major component is HDPE pipe, and the next one is a starter, so 6 HP starter 5,000, and rest all other fittings. So total it is costing around 1 lakh 41,000 approximately. So this will be the cost which will get incurred in case if you are doing an installation. So this quotation is for on August month 2023. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.